Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. I'm gonna check the sound real quick. I am 5 minutes. Okay, the sound seems to be good. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Jenny. Alright, guys, it is time for us to start. And today we continue exploring how we struggle in life and how our struggles can be an opportunity for practice. Pema Chodron writes, as people who wish to attain enlightenment or simply feel more settled in our life, we must be willing to work with even the most difficult circumstances. I've seen people meditating wholeheartedly for years and years and years. People who have experienced the nature of their mind. People who have experienced stillness and calm. But as soon as a relationship goes bad, or they get fired from a job, or they find out that they have a serious illness or that someone they love is sick, they simply collapse. It's as if they never meditated a day in their life, and they're completely taken away into anger or despair or a dark depression. When something strong and scary comes up, we usually don't want to go there. Instead, we go into autopilot and we do everything we can to struggle against what's happening. Then we tend to fixate on the despair and the anger itself. It's like we've lost the meditation bandwidth completely. We've lost our way on the path. There is a path quality to our meditation practice, and the way seems to become much less clear when we hit the toughest points in life. But believe it or not, sometimes those tough moments are the very things that teach us the most. Sometimes they are the very things that open us up to life and to connection with others. Our aching emotions and harsh thoughts can be the perfect teacher. Everything in our life, every moment, every struggle is the path. Everything is an opportunity for awakening. We learn from our very own being. In Dilgo Khyentse Rinpoche's text, The Heart Treasure of the Enlightened Ones, there is a beautiful instruction that says, don't follow after the object of hatred. Look at the angry mind. Anger, liberated by itself as it arises, is mirror-like wisdom. Don't chase after the object of pride. Look at the grasping mind. Self-importance, liberated by itself as it arises, is the wisdom of equanimity. Don't hanker after the object of desire. Look at the craving mind. And he goes on through all the mental states that cloud the mind in this way. And what he is basically saying is, these are not a problem if you will give these tendencies your full attention, if you examine them. They are only a problem if unexamined, because then we tend to fixate on the object of our desire or hatred or anger or whatever it is, instead of seeing past it and understanding that actually it's our angry mind, or the angry, not even the angry mind, the grasping mind, the craving mind. It's just another mind state, just like a cloud in the sky, arising and passing. So let's do a practice together now with this in mind. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle into your body. Find the posture that allows you to stay alert and at the same time completely relaxed. Stable base, relaxed legs, relaxed hands. Find the natural length of your spine, the natural openness of your heart. Nothing is forced. Soften the face. Maybe bring a gentle smile to your lips. Maybe let it trickle up and down your whole body. Eyes can be open or closed. Your breath is also nice and soft, completely natural. Don't try to make it deeper or longer or anything. It's not. Let your body breathe naturally and simply feel yourself breathing. Don't try to focus on the breath. Connect with the direct experience of it. No struggle, easy, letting all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, to flow through you as energy. Now take a moment to decide what you want to choose as the object for today's session. Just one thing. Could be your breath, could be sounds, sights if your eyes are open, touch consciousness, your physical sensations. Could be a strong emotion that is present right now in you. Whatever it is, commit to using this one thing as the object of your meditation today. I will be silent for the next few minutes so that you can stay with your direct experience of the flow of life in this moment. Your instruction for this session is to observe whatever arises. Give it your full attention. See if you can liberate the pure energy of the emotion or the thought that comes up. Maybe it will help you see clearly what mental state is behind it. Your craving mind, your angry mind, your grasping mind. No judgment. Simply observing whatever comes up without struggle. Simply watching it pass away without struggle. Remember that whenever something arises, a thought, a sensation, an emotion, you make that the object of your practice for a little bit until it passes naturally. And then you return to that one thing you chose as the anchor for your practice, whether it's your breath or sounds touch. If you notice at some point that you're completely lost in thought, no judgment, it's no big deal, it's completely fine. Simply come back to that one thing again and again and again. And now gently let go of this practice. Scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice how you tend to deal with life's challenging moments. Are you responding with attention and open-heartedness, as if you're still in meditation session? Or is it a sort of a knee-jerk reaction? See if you can bring a bit more presence to these difficult moments. Instead of running away from them and doing things on autopilot just not to focus on that, allow some space around them. And maybe you can start making it a habit to identify which mental state is associated with this or that challenging situation for you. Craving mind, angry mind, grasping mind. It could be a really fun exploration if you approach it with curiosity, lightness, and humor. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.